Hello everyone, this is my generic Lasko made 12-inch 3-speed oscillating fan. It is unbranded, but definitely Lasko made. The type number on the base is 12-1. We'll show the printout on the bottom of the base here just so you can see it. From the looks of this fan, I would say that it was made in the early 1980s due to the rounded blades and the older style motor housing. Now the blade is interesting on this because it's a solid brown, not transparent. And the badge is similar to the fans made by Lasko for Penney. This one's definitely an oddball. Let's have a closer look. And what we'll do now is demonstrate the fan for you, so we'll start it off on low. The badge does need to be tightened up on this a bit. And I do need to go inside the fan and do some maintenance. I just took delivery of this recently and just kind of wiped it down to make this video. We'll go ahead and turn on the oscillation. This fan does need a little bit of maintenance done to it. But that just means we get to revisit it a little later on. We'll put it up to medium now. And we'll bring it up to high speed. we'll shut the fan off. Yeah, it needs a little bit of work, but I think with just a little bit of oiling and maintenance, this thing will turn out really nice. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll have more to come. So stay tuned. Later.